Welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Very quick, short video. Just recently my Rode Wireless Go system packed up, died. Sometimes it'll turn on, sometimes it won't turn on. Basically it's unusable. So I was looking for a new cheapish but reasonably good quality wireless mic system for when I'm out and about. Don't need anything with a massive range. I don't move any further than, say, 20 feet away from a camera at any point. But I needed to be small, light and easily transportable. So I looked at a few YouTube videos and a few reviews. And George Kahn did a review on Digital Camera World of the Godox Magic XT1. And I looked at a few YouTube videos as well, and yeah, it's sounded ideal setup for me. And luckily for me, George put it up on eBay, and I happened to find it, and so I managed to get it at a reduced price because it had been used. So this is what we've got on now. So we're just trying it out. Just want to see what the sound quality is like. I'm in my little studio. I've got my boom mic up here that I'm recording with, and I'm recording via the Godox straight to the camera. So what I want to see is how big a difference there is. Does it sound good or not? I'm not going to use dynamic noise reduction, don't need it. Room's not sound deadened perfectly. It's kind of, so there is some reverb here. There's a bit of background noise from the courtyard side of it, and there's train track, so you can probably hear trains going by. Now and again you'll hear someone in our courtyard making some noise, but other than that it's a reasonably quiet room. There's going to be no editing of this audio. The boom mic audio just goes through my usual setup, which is the Behringer Ultra Gain Pro and the Composer Pro XL. It's a tube preamplifier, and it's got a de-esser in it and a compressor in it. So the boom mic is getting some editing going on, but on a hardware system, but nothing on the Godox. So it's straight to the camera, and that's what it's going to be. So we'll swap backwards and forwards during this test, and I'll put up on screen which bit was Godox, which bit was the boom mic, and we'll see how we go. Hopefully it's going to do the job. It's nice and small, nice and light. I'm not going to go through the specs. There's hundreds of YouTube videos showing the specs on this. You've probably just heard my phone go off. But we'll see, did that pick it up or did this pick it up? So yeah, you can watch other YouTube channels that go through all the specs and that. 48 kilohertz, 24-bit. It's meant to have a huge range of, 100 meters or more. Again, not a very importance at the moment. I'm only 6 foot away from the camera. If I'm out and about, I'll only say be no more than 20 feet if I'm just showing a review or whatever. So it doesn't matter to me. So let's see how it sounds. If it sounds good, we'll keep it. If it doesn't, we'll see how we go. So the reviews that George did was good, and the reviews I've seen on YouTube, it's been good. It was either this one or the newer version. I think it's a CM28. The advantage of that one is you can record internally. This one you can't. But again, it's not a big issue for me. So I'll have a listen to it and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it'll be a thumbs up. Let's get in the computer and have a listen. Right, so we've had a listen to the audio on the computer, and yeah, I'm quite impressed actually. It's not bad at all. Better than I was expecting. Not as good as the shotgun, but that's to be expected. But for just vlogging and just doing some outside recording, it sounds fantastic. What I've got now is I've got the transmitter hidden under my shirt, but I'm recording through the Behringer system straight into the computer, and we'll see I haven't changed any settings. I'll just see what it turns out like. But yes, I think I could recommend the Godox Magic XT1. If you just want a small, relatively cheap, easy to use, easy to transport, just pick it up, take it out of the thing and out the receiver, because they're all connected into the receiver. Just take it out, put it on, plug it into your camera, and away you go. Then you can plug it into your phone or your computer or anything you like. But no, yeah, I would recommend it. It might be that you want something that records as well, so I would go probably with a newer, because they're a similar kind of price. But if you just want a transmitter and receiver, I think this is fine. I think what's been said on YouTube is correct, and it's good enough what I need. If you enjoyed the video, get a thumbs up and it helps the channel. If you want to see any more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see you later.